Now you should find yourself enjoying a much better work-life balance and earning more money while working less. Maybe you're using this newfound freedom to travel or just to relax a little more. But what you should also be doing is taking a step back from your business and deciding on where you want to take it and how you want to grow it. If you're currently doing link building work for people every day, chances are you're going to find yourself feeling rather frustrated and bored with that work pretty soon. It's not rewarding because you don't know where you're going with it and because you're not doing things you love. One way to fix this is to go more niche, or more niche as it's also pronounced. Instead of being an internet marketer, how about positioning yourself as a fitness internet marketer or a fashion internet marketer? In this way, you help yourself to stand out a bit from all the other marketers, and at the same time, you'll now be writing about things you love, dealing with other websites you love, and reading about what you love. Another tip is to develop yourself. We discussed this briefly already, but as you start to add new skills to your roster, you'll be able to expand your own services and grow yourself professionally. This way you can charge more, impress your clients more, and get more sense of reward for what you do. Learn to program, learn to design, learn to write. All these skills will make you more well-rounded and open up new doors for you. Similarly, look at other ways you can generate income. Look at ways you want to grow your business and consider using your marketing skills to create your own brand. This might mean having a brand for your own business. You'll feel much more pride in what you do when you have your own business website, your own business name, and a reputation that you're proud of. Plus, this can help bring a lot more clients to your business without you having to get out there and find them. Think about expanding too. Look at how you can grow your business, take on new clients, and perhaps outsource more of your work, or get in-house staff. Alternatively, how about running your own blog? This can work as a brilliant showcase for what you can do, or it can be used to build trust and authority if you're writing about the subject of internet marketing. Most of all, though, having a blog will give your business a new direction and help you to feel as though you're making progress. You can even feel like something of an internet celebrity, which is a great bonus of working online.